Welcome to the in front of me Honor 7X, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the sound section. Here we got the volume section, and right there we got our ringtone volume panel. Just to adjust and change our ringtone volume, swipe with your finger these dots to the left or to the right side, and that's how it looks. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just you can tap here, press to your up or to the down volume button, and you'll change your ringtone volume. So, and now if you will just tap here on this icon, you can also by the same way with your finger or with your volume buttons adjust your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.